Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. My name is Asif Kumar and I teach English to board classes. And today was my first lecture and I delivered it, and I am going to start this from very basics, because I know that in government schools children are not as up level that they should be. So I started right from the start of the beginning, and I'm going to make it a video for you so that you can also watch, and more videos will be uploaded on daily basis. So what you have to do, you have to like my channel and subscribe it so that you get each and every information as it's uploaded. So first of all, I conveyed it to that conveyed them to the students that first of all, alphabets, they are basics of any language. In English there are 26 alphabets I have written on the whiteboard, and in Urdu we call it haruf-e-tahajji, which are the basics. For example, there are two types of alphabets. One is small and other is capital. Small letters are written in this way, and capital letters are written like that. So which is visible to you, you can do it, you can see that. Then what I did, and then I told them about word. I told them that a word is a combination of alphabets. If you combine alphabets, but it's not only a combination of alphabets, it's a meaningful combination. For example, if you combine a L and I in ascending order, that will make a Ali, which is a sensitive word, gives some sense. And if you combine these letters I, L, and A, but that is not in a proper arrangement, then it's not a word. It can be only a word when it gives a meaningful combination. So for example, I did also give the example of a crumb, a pen. Then I told them what a sentence. Actually, sentence are a meaningful combination of words. Words, when are combined together in a meaningful way, in a meaningful manner, they are called sentence. For example, I wrote on the board, Ali went to school. As you see here, Ali went to school. It gives some sense. That means in Urdu, Ali school gaya. If you combine these words in another way, for example, I write Ali school too went. It is the combination of words. It's not meaningful. As it's not meaningful, so it will not be a sentence. And then I told them there are two parts of sentence. One is subject and the other is predicate. I'll deliver the lecture on these types of parts of sentence. And then I will also tell them about what are subject, what is predicate, and then I will tell them about how a sentence is formed. For example, what is verb, what is noun. For that you have to subscribe this channel and you have to see the video so that you get it understood. Okay, with this I thank you all. Allah Hafiz. See you tomorrow.